Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to contact YouTube support. So first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com, and from here just simply search for YouTube get in touch with YouTube support. So from here you will see here get in touch with the YouTube creator supports team. So just simply click on here guys. And from here you will have two options guys. So scroll down. So from here you can go for chat, as you can see over here. And from here you should be able to see multiple language and the hours of operation that they have. Or if you scroll down, you should be able to see here email, which you'll be able to see here the language availability. And from here guys, you can email the creator support from YouTube by just simply tapping on your profile picture, and after that just simply select help and feedback. And from there, under the need more help option, you'll be able to see there select contact us, and from there just follow the prompts to chat with YouTube support team. And now another option that you have, if you scroll to the top guys, just simply go ahead and chat in English over here. And after that, just simply provide your channel URL. So let's say my channel is youtube.com/tutorial. And from here, just simply provide how they can help you, and just simply provide what is your problem. And once you have provided your problem, just simply click on start chat. And from here, you'll be able to see here the Google support. So guys, from here, as you can see, I am number 3 in line. So there are 3 people waiting for the Google support team as well. So just wait for some time. And from there, once it is ready, you'll be able to contact the support team of YouTube. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.